Here's the thing about working with Claude Code. Every new session starts with a blank slate. You explain your conventions, your preferred package manager, your naming rules, and tomorrow you explain them all over again. Welcome to Lesson 8 of the Claude Code course, where we fix that for good. 2 tools do the job, the /memory command and a simple hash symbol. Once you learn these, Claude remembers. Watch this. We start inside a live session, teach Claude one rule with a hash, then open the memory files. First, the quick way. We type a message that starts with the hash symbol, and instead of treating it as a normal prompt, Claude Code captures that line as a memory note. Anything after the hash becomes the rule we want remembered. Now Claude asks a smart question before saving anything. Should this memory live in the project's Claude.md, where the whole team benefits, or in our user-level file at home, which follows us across every project? We pick project memory, since this rule belongs to this repo. The note lands in the project's Claude.md file, and here is the part that matters. This persists across sessions. Close the terminal, come back next week, start a fresh conversation, and Claude still knows we are a PNPM shop. No repeating ourselves. Next, the full editor route. When we want to review everything Claude remembers, or write longer, more structured notes, we type /memory. This opens the memory files themselves for editing, both the project Claude.md and the user-level one in our home directory. Both memory files show up, ready to open and edit directly. Project memory travels with the repo, so teammates inherit the same rules. User memory at /claude/claude.md is personal and applies everywhere. Together they decide what Claude carries into every single session. So remember the split. The hash is for capturing rules in the moment mid-conversation without breaking flow. The /memory command is for housekeeping, reviewing and reshaping what has piled up. Use both, and every session starts already knowing how you work. Alright, quick recap. So that was memory in Claude Code. Start any message with a hash symbol, and that line gets saved as a note Claude keeps for future sessions. When you add a memory, Claude asks where it belongs. The project's Claude.md that the whole team shares, or your user-level file that follows you everywhere. The /memory command opens those files directly for editing, so you can review, reorganize, or trim what Claude remembers whenever your conventions change. Head over to Standarity.com for the full course, and we will see you in Lesson 9, where we put that file to work.